Hi everyone. I'm excited that you clicked on this link to see this video because I have something that I'm excited to share with you and I would like to save you some reading. So I'm on the Kansas Prevention Collaborative or KPC website. This is the home page that I'm sharing, and you'll notice up here the menu at the top. I'm going to click on coalitions and see the coalitions options open here on this page. I'm going to click on coalition directory and it will show us our updated, new and improved Coalition Directory interactive map. So I'm going to show you a few of the features here so that you can get familiar with it and click around and find things that you didn't know were here. You'll see the map of Kansas organized by county, and if you click on one of these pin markers or colored pin points, it will open up the coalition that is represented in that county. You'll see the name of the coalition or the organization, address, funding, the contact person, such as the coalition mobilizer. Usually that includes phone number, address, emails, things like that. So you can click on those and get more information. If you see a number on these markers and you click on that, it means that there are more than one coalition in that county. So here in Kingman County, as an example, you'll see that there's contact information for two coalitions that we identify as KPC coalitions currently. Down below the map, you can organize it in some different ways. You can organize what you see, what information you can use for the purpose that you have. So if you click on this, base map is there, base map Kansas counties. We also have it organized by KDADS regions, DECA service regions, population density, if you want to see peers in other counties that are similar in population density. We also have NAMI chapters. I'm going to go back to DECA service areas to show you something for the KPC or KPICI coalitions out there across the state for an easy tool to reference. If you are clicking on a county somewhere in northwest Kansas, you'll see all of those that are colored the same shade. If you click on that, it will open up a contact sheet that will show you the DECA community support specialist that is their designated person, prevention professional that is there to connect with coalitions and help them build their capacity, help them receive the training and technical assistance they need. You'll also see a list of all of the coalitions in that same region. And so those are all the coalitions that community support specialist would be responsible for supporting from DECA. I'm going to go back to the base map and I'm going to show that you can click on different funding sources to filter by those categories. So if you want to know where are the KPICI planning grantees, you can click on that. If you want to click to find KPICI implementation, you can select that. You can also select multiple. So here I'm adding drug-free communities, problem gambling task forces, etc. If you need a refresher or reminder, the map tips are here below to tell you what the colored pins, shaded counties, and ways to interact are. If you scroll on down below the map, you can find a coalition directory search engine, and you can just type a few letters in here to search and sort this full list of 110 KPC coalitions in the directory to just a few. So if I start to type SCC, you'll see that that pulls up SCDAT or Sumner County Community Drug Action Team, just as an example. So that gets you through 101 counties to the or coalitions to the one coalition in that area. If you search by Reno County, you want to type in Reno, it will show you 3 that have Reno somewhere in their name. You can just type BA and it will sort all of the coalitions that have only those letters in that order BA, just as another example. You can also sort and search by county. If you want to find just the coalitions in one county, here's Barton County as an example. And you can also search all counties by all funding types or KPICI graduates as an example if you want to see some of the coalitions that are listed there as KPICI graduates or implementation grantees with the letters. It looks like I didn't clear that BA in the name. There it is. That works well. Okay, so there are those that you can search just by funding category. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and show you this last button. If you push on this Get Involved, click on the Get Involved button, you can get more information from us. You can get on our mailing list if you're not already there. You can send a message that will let us know what information you're interested in receiving. And that is where I will stop this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and find it useful and can dig into using the Coalition Interactive Directory and Map in the future. Thanks. Bye.